Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Fortnite in your laptop. So this method works for both Windows 11 and 10. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using, and in the search bar you are going to type Epic Games. You will see the first and official website. You just click here, you just wait till the website opens. After that, as you can see here, you will find this home page. And here what you can do, you can log into your account if you already have an account. If you don't, you just can create a new account and it is easy and doesn't take too much time. After that, you just click on the download button here and you like this, you are going to download the Epic Games. And after that, after the installation is done, you just open Epic Games in your laptop and in the search, you are going to type Fortnite. And now you will see the game here, as you can see, and it is free. You just click on get and the game will start to download, and once it's done you can just open it and play it as you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.